Hey guys, ready to grow fast on YouTube? Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels grow so fast and attract thousands of subscribers? Well, today we're diving into the success story of Storylight, a channel that has amassed over 84,000 subscribers with just 137 videos. Impressive, right? Let's break down the secrets behind their rapid growth so you can apply them to your own channel, targeting each video to its specific audience. Like animated 3D story videos. The secret to success is to start and keep going. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Success is waiting for you. Success on YouTube is just a few steps away. Just start and keep going. Let's take the first step towards success together. Now that I have taught you the key points of success, let's watch a little of the video we made.
Scene opens on a serene winter morning. Snow blankets the ground, sparkling under the soft light of dawn. The air is crisp, the kind that tickles your nose and promises adventure. Out from the snowy forest bounds a fox. Not just any fox, mind you, but a cartoonishly charming one with a fiery orange coat and a tail so fluffy it could double as a pillow. Around its neck swings a tiny green pendant that seems to glow faintly in the morning light. "Brr, frosty mornings sure know how to bite," mutters the fox, shaking snow from its fur.
Enter ChatGPT and experience the joy of creating creative and professional prompts. For example, I have prepared 15 high-quality and precise prompts for creating extraordinary and inspiring images. These prompts focus on fantasy animal characters and magical natural scenes, and each one is designed to produce amazing and unique visual results. If you have an idea that you would like to add to the prompts, just send it to ChatGPT and they will prepare it. You can use it in the video description. Enter Leonardo AI and take your creativity to a new level. Enter the prompts prepared for you by ChatGPT and enjoy creating amazing images. I have asked ChatGPT to prepare 15 professional and creative prompts. You just need to enter these prompts one by one into Leonardo AI to create unique images. Each prompt is carefully designed to create magical scenes, fantasy animal characters, and stunning environments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are waiting for your creations. Enter Seller Pick AI. This site is an AI-based platform that helps online sellers and content creators create professional and engaging images for their products or brands. Key features of this site usually include automatic image editing and photo-to-video conversion to the best quality and appeal, design of promotional images, optimization of images for online stores, easy-to-use AI features, background removal. If you are engaged in online sales or creating content related to products, this site can be a useful tool. When you register on the SellerPick AI site, this site has very attractive features such as virtual try-on, swap fashion model, image-to-video, background replacer, background remover, and also color changer, and many other features that are the best quality of attractiveness that this site has, you have never seen anywhere before. It is really great. The link to the site is in the video description. When you register on the SellerPick AI site, take advantage of its amazing features. This site provides you with a set of advanced and attractive tools. Now click Image to Video and enter the photo you downloaded one by one. If you like the prompt, add it to the photo. If you don't have it, it is optional. Then wait a while for the video to be ready. Now let's take a look at the videos created using SellerPick AI. Wow, it's truly amazing. The quality of these videos is so high and stunning that you can't take your eyes off them. This site uses the best technology available to turn your images into engaging and professional videos. What sets SellerPick AI apart is its unparalleled accuracy, incredible quality, and diverse features. No other site can truly match this level of engagement and functionality. Imagine, with just a few simple clicks, you can turn your simple images into visual masterpieces. So why wait? Try it now to see why this site is truly unique. The link to the site is in the video description. We look forward to your creativity. Now let's check out the amazing virtual try-on feature in SellerPick AI. This tool allows you to try on different clothes virtually, and the result is truly amazing. If you have a photo of yourself, just upload it. Now let's work with the background replacer feature in the AI tools section. This tool allows you to change the background of your images or products to anything you like. And now, let's get to know the color changer feature in the AI tools section. This amazing tool allows you to easily change the color of any product or garment. Imagine being able to see your garment or product in different colors with just a few simple clicks and make the best choice. This tool is a great option for design, advertising, and even online shopping. And now let's get to know the Magic Eraser feature in the AI Tools section. This powerful tool allows you to easily remove logos, texts, or any extra details from your products, clothes, or images. And now let's get acquainted with the Image Enhancer feature in the AI Tools section. This section allows you to increase the quality of your photos or products, such as 4K. And now let's get to know the Image to Video feature in the AI Tools section. This amazing tool allows you to convert your images into professional, high-quality videos with just a few clicks. This amazing feature is ideal for showcasing products, advertising, or even creating creative content. Be sure to share the videos you create on social media so that others can learn about this amazing tool. Now let's check out the amazing Swap Fashion Model feature in SellerPick AI. This amazing tool allows you to swap different models' faces into one another. This feature is rendered with incredible precision and quality, making it feel like you're working with a professional fashion design team. SellerPick AI truly offers a unique and one-of-a-kind experience. Be sure to try it out and see for yourself why this site is one of the best. The link to the site is in the video description. Are you ready to unleash your creativity? Now log back into ChatGPT and ask it to create a professional script for your video or prompt. ChatGPT can provide a completely creative and engaging text based on your ideas and the topics you are interested in. Now let's head over to ElevenLabs and find a professional narrator for your video. This platform provides a unique narration experience by offering natural and diverse voices. Now it's time to edit the video. This is one of the most exciting and important parts of the work, where all the video pieces are put together in a beautiful and professional way. First, enter the CapCut program or any editing program that you are more comfortable with. If you don't have any experience yet, don't worry. These programs will help you get the best results with their simple user interface and great features. In the first step, import all the videos and narration into the editing window. Then, adjust the order of the clips so that the video flows smoothly and harmoniously. This step is very important because the wrong order can reduce the appeal of the video. To increase the excitement and visual appeal, use zoom effects and various animations. These effects will make your video look more lively and professional, and make the audience follow it with more interest. Motion effects like zooming add a sense of dynamism and energy to the video, transforming it from a simple one into a creative work. Next, it's time to add a voiceover. Make sure the voiceover is in perfect harmony with the scenes and conveys the right feeling to the audience. Now, to create a more emotional and professional atmosphere, choose a suitable background music. Gentle songs for educational videos or exciting songs for promotional and entertainment videos are good choices. But the work is not over yet. Adding subtitles is a step that you should not neglect. In addition to helping you understand the video better, subtitles make your content useful even for audiences who watch the video without sound. Also, using beautiful fonts that match the video's theme multiplies its visual impact. Once you have completed all these steps, watch the video from beginning to end a few times to make sure everything is exactly as you want it. If you need any changes, now is the time to make corrections. Congratulations! Your video is ready, a professional work made with care and creativity. Thank you for sticking with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the most interesting videos in the future. Your comments are very valuable to us. Until the next video, God bless.
scene opens on a serene winter morning. Snow blankets the ground, sparkling under the soft light of dawn. The air is crisp, the kind that tickles your nose and promises adventure. Out from the snowy forest bounds a fox. Not just any fox, mind you, but a cartoonishly charming one with a fiery orange coat and a tail so fluffy it could double as a pillow. Around its neck swings a tiny green pendant that seems to glow faintly in the morning light. "Brr, frosty mornings sure know how to bite," mutters the fox, shaking snow from its fur. It pauses to sniff the air, ears twitching. There's a sound, a cheerful chattering coming from beneath the snow-laden bushes nearby. A tiny creature with fur the color of autumn leaves and an energy that could rival a dozen cups of coffee. The squirrel hops into view, clutching an acorn as if it holds the secrets of the universe. Fox tilts its head, a knowing smile curling across its snout. "A treasure hunt, you say? Do you mean actual treasure, or just more acorns?" The squirrel gasps, clutching its acorn tighter. "Excuse me, but acorns are treasures. But no, I've heard whispers of something truly magical in the clearing. Something that glows even brighter than your pendant."